There's a fixation on what regulatory relief is coming for drones, that flying farther is not yet achievable. But flying beyond line of sight for Powerline inspections is something that we've already been doing. We often hear this sentiment from electric utilities that we'll wait on the regulations to advance, or we'll let someone else solve this regulatory challenge. But there doesn't have to be more waiting. At Phoenix Air Unmanned, we've unlocked beyond visual line of sight drone inspections for electric utilities nationwide. Our authorization is drone data acquisition at a much larger scale. It's the adoption of best practices and the implementation of the highest aviation standards. It's tens of thousands of miles of data acquisition experience. Scalable drone inspections are available now, and we want to know who will lead with us.